Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my plan with me. I am using the apple picking kit this week, which has the very cute double box right here. And this is what it looks like. I'm using 5 of the 6 pages. And this one, the only one I am not using, oops, that's the wrong, is the check boxes because I don't need them with this planner. So I'm going to get into it. I have my inserts all in this week. I just finished cutting them. This week I have some stuff planned out, but there isn't a lot. Like I normally make a list for myself, but I didn't this week, so hopefully I will remember everything that I'm supposed to do this week. I should. It's not anything really like huge, crazy this week. So there is a chance I'll be working Thursdays. So that's awesome because I haven't been working that much with my regular job. It just has not happened and I don't know why. But it hasn't, so it's just that time of the year where there's a lot of like days off of school and stuff, so tend not to get asked to sub as much, which sucks, but that's okay. If you bought during the Very Merry Harry sale, thank you for purchasing. I'm really excited. There were so many like people that I've never had purchased from the shop before, so it was really cool to have a whole bunch of new people and things like that, you know, seeing new addresses and different parts of the world and all that kind of stuff. It was just really fun. I really enjoy that. I keep forgetting to bring like a clippy to hold that down. So but I'm going to put the double box in the weekend because I think that'll be cute. I can't believe that Black Friday and all that is coming up. So this is like our last full week of school until break, which is crazy because we get Monday off. So really it's not even a full week. And then we get all of Thanksgiving week off. So I'm just like, what is going on here? Which one do I want to use? I think I'll just go straight across and do like that. I think that'll work. So I'm going to put this one down first so that I can then put this one in the middle. I liked what I did the last week, which was to put the full box, or the, like what is considered the thankful box, line it up with the other ones. I thought that was kind of cool looking. This kit is still in the shop if you would like to purchase it. So there's that. Next week I'm going to be using my Thanksgiving photo kit, which I'm excited about. It'll be the first photo kit I've ever used. I have now 2 photo kits because I released a Harry Potter one last week. Do I want to switch them? I think, because then it'll be like, or should I put this box here or on Friday? I'm probably going to be working on Thursday, but if I don't, but I don't, such decisions. Actually, because if I work, then it's kind of cool because it's an Apple theme. So I'll just do my original thought. And if you're wondering why I'm putting stickers on my arm, it's a hack to kind of take some of the stickiness off so that they're easier to remove and reposition. But with these paper that I use, it has like a sheen on it, I get it from Amazon. It's really cheap. Then they come off pretty easily anyways. Okay. I'm going to put in a work sticker because she's already asked me. She just hasn't put it in yet. Actually, I'm going to put headers down first. I really like putting the headers down. The butterfly headers. I really love these guys so much. I just love that they have like a shape to them, and it just kind of adds something to your planner without being like overly crazy or anything like that. I think it just gives it a little something. A little something something, you know? So I asked on my Instagram and in my Facebook group, which if you're not following me on either, you should, because like, what are you doing with your life? Just kidding. That whether or not you guys would like to see some like decluttering, cleaning kind of videos on my channel. I'm thinking of kind of doing both. Like, I'm going to be decluttering my desk and going through it, and like my closet and trying to get things together. And this room that I'm in, which, yeah, I film in our guest room, which has like a TV and stuff in it, and we're going to try and make it more like a second TV room. So just put this work sticker down since it was on my arm. So I want to make it so that you can sit at the couch, because right now I'm sitting on the couch and the TV is like right here in front of me. So my filming stuff is like in the way of the TV. So it's kind of annoying if you are sitting here. So I totally get it, but I need to do that. Okay, there's no work on, I don't need to put that, right? No, I'm not gonna put that. But it is my goddaughter Addison's birthday. She's gonna be 11 on Monday, and it's so crazy. I remember reading to her when she was literally like an hour old in the hospital, holding her, reading her first book. So cute. On Tuesday, if I don't end up working, I am going to the movies with my friends to go see Bohemian Rhapsody. Finally, we've been trying to like go see it together for quite a while, so hopefully. Wednesday will be payday or Etsy payday, because it's usually on Tuesdays, but because Monday's a holiday, everything gets bumped. So I'm gonna put that down. Friday. I need to have like one of these guys, like a reminder. We'll do glitter. No, I don't want a reminder. Oh good, I do. Have my little individual checklists. So I'm going to put this one here, and I need to make sure that I turn in my payroll or my time card, because even though like we usually turn them in on like the 25th, but that's like Thanksgiving Day. So I need to turn it in on Friday. Okay. So I need to do suppers. Where is it? Supper. It's the first one, Melissa. You should know this. They're your stickers. I'm going to use this one. Like this. And then put the supper down. If I can get it straight-ish. I'll grab this one. Like that. I'm gonna put my habit trackers. I have been horrible with my habit trackers and doing what's on my habit trackers, so yeah, that's just not good. It's just not good. I need to get back into it. I will fully admit, I've been in a funk lately, and so it has been affecting all parts of my life, as funks usually do for most people. But that funk, I'm not letting take hold of me any longer, and yeah, I am going to be happy and get back on track with all of my stuff, and that is so ridiculously crooked, which means this one is so ridiculously crooked. I really should wear my glasses when I am putting down stickers. I probably could see a straight line a lot better. There we go. I guess I could have put that one down a little. I still probably can. Here. Oh, but then it won't line up with that. Note to self, next week if I do this, put habit trackers down first. Okay, so that is my week. Oh, I didn't do this one. I like to do my work one also. My fingers are not working. There we go. Put this one down. There we go. So this is what my week looks like. I think it turned out really, really well. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!